Now, maybe you're trying to log into your Facebook account on another device, or you're setting up your business page and it's asking for your code from Code Generator, but you just can't find it anywhere. Well, here's the thing. Facebook used to have the Code Generator feature right inside the app, but as of late 2024, they removed it completely. I know it's frustrating because most tutorials out there are still outdated and tell you to find it in your settings, but it's just not there anymore. But don't worry, Facebook still has an easy and secure way for you to get your login codes. So here's what you need to do instead. First, open up your Facebook app. Once you're on the home screen, look at the top right corner or bottom right depending on your version, and tap on your profile picture or the three horizontal lines. That's your menu button. Scroll down until you see Settings and Privacy. Tap on it to open up the options. Then tap on Settings. You'll see it with a little gear icon. Next, under Meta Account Center, you're going to see a blue text that says See More in Account Center. Tap that. When the Account Center opens up, scroll down and tap on Password and Security. Now, this is where it's different from before. Instead of seeing Code Generator, what you're going to do is tap on two-factor authentication. Here, you'll see your security options. If you've already set up an authenticator app like Google Authenticator, Microsoft Authenticator, or Authy, just open that app right now. Find your Facebook account in your Authenticator app and your 6-digit code will be right there, refreshing every 30 seconds. And if you choose the WhatsApp like me to receive the 6-digit code, this is what it looks like. Now, you can open your WhatsApp and copy the code from there and paste it here. And if you choose SMS as your two-factor method, Facebook will simply send you a text message with your login code whenever you need it. Hopefully, you found this video useful.